Question 1. What are the three major factors affecting safety stock? The need of safety stock arises due to uncertainty, which may lead to exhaustion of stock before a replenishment stock arrives. So, the factors which affect the safety stock are: first, forecast. Forecast demand is something for which organizations do the planning. But as we all know, the forecasts are always wrong. There is uncertainty associated with the forecasted number. In order to tackle that uncertainty, we require safety stock. If the forecast accuracy is high, then safety stock will be lower. And if forecast accuracy is low, then it will increase the safety stock. Second, lead time. The safety stock level depends on the procurement time of stores. It is to be taken into account as to how much time will be taken for replenishing the stocks. If the lead time is 0, there is no need of any safety stock. If the lead time is low, then a small safety stock is required. But if the lead time is significant, then the concern will have to maintain higher safety stock level to avoid stock out. Third, service level. Service level means what percentage of customer order you want to satisfy. If an organization wanted to operate on high service level, let's say about 95%, which means it wants to satisfy 95 order out of 100 within a given time period, then it need to have high stock in order to deal with any uncertainty. If organization decided on the low service level, let's say 50%, which means it will let go 50 out of 100 orders, hence will require very less safety stock.
If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain. Links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.